Are you truly prepared for the unexpected? With harvest season approaching, now is the time to assess your household's readiness. We're breaking down the must-have items you need to prioritize to build a robust stockpile and guarantee your family's security. It's not just about extra cans in the pantry, it's a strategic approach to long-term stability in a world where supply chains are fragile. By acting now before the seasonal rush, you're buying time and security. In this video, we'll cover why this time of year is crucial, what items go beyond food staples, and how to build a comprehensive stockpile. By the end, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to make your household more resilient than ever before. Why August? It's the calm before the storm, right before the massive logistical shift of harvest season. During harvest, trucks and trains are prioritized for moving crops, creating bottlenecks and delays for everything else. Stocking up in August means you get your supplies before the rush, avoiding delays and price hikes. Waiting until September or October means competing with tons of crops for limited space, leading to higher costs. Retailers anticipate this crunch, often front-loading warehouses, which can cause temporary shortages on shelves. Buying in August taps into existing stock before these adjustments hit. Fuel and labor costs rise during harvest, and those increases are passed on to you. That case of paper towels or soap could cost 5–10% more by October. The back-to-school rush also strains retail, making everyday items disappear faster. Getting your stockpile before this rush means you avoid crowds and empty shelves. Weather is another factor. Late summer and early fall are peak hurricane season, which can cripple supply chains. Stocking up in August gives you a buffer against unpredictable events. Acting early is less stressful than scrambling for supplies when shortages hit. Preparedness is a mindset. Proactive planning builds confidence. Spreading out purchases in August helps you manage your budget and make stockpiling a predictable part of your year. Timing your efforts to August is a strategic move that leverages a unique window of opportunity. You avoid the logistical traffic jam, sidestep price increases, and insulate yourself from fall volatility. It's the single most effective step for cost-effective, successful preparedness. Don't wait for the rush. Get ahead of the curve. Make August your annual stockpile month. You'll thank yourself when everyone else is scrambling. That's the power of timing. Shortages aren't just about food. Everyday essentials are just as vulnerable. Personal hygiene products like soap, shampoo, toothpaste, and feminine hygiene items are often overlooked until they're gone. During supply crunches, manufacturers may limit variety or run out of your preferred brands. Stocking up on these items maintains normalcy and comfort. Cleaning supplies, disinfectant wipes, laundry detergent, dish soap, paper towels, trash bags are bulky and often the first to disappear. Over-the-counter medications and first aid supplies are critical. Pain relievers, cold medicine, allergy meds, bandages, and antiseptics. Power outages are common during harvest season. Have flashlights, batteries, candles, lighters, and a portable power bank. Pet supplies matter too: food, litter, and medications for your animals. Basic maintenance items, light bulbs, air filters, duct tape, and tools keep your home running smoothly. Water is even more critical than food. Invest in a reliable water filter and store some water, but don't rely solely on bottled. Comfort items like coffee, tea, chocolate, and non-electric entertainment can boost morale during stressful times. Walk through your daily routine and list every consumable you use. Every item comes through the same fragile supply chain. By thinking beyond food, you create a robust safety net for your household. Don't wait until you run out. Anticipate needs now. A comprehensive stockpile covers all aspects of daily life. It's about continuity, not just survival. Prepare for the full spectrum of shortages. Your future self will appreciate the foresight. That's true resilience. The harvest effect ripples through the entire economy, not just food. A good or bad harvest sets prices for staples like wheat, corn, and soybeans for the year ahead. Poor harvests mean higher prices for everything from bread to meat and dairy. Stock up on powdered milk, canned meats, and protein sources before prices spike. Processing plants run non-stop after harvest, creating temporary shortages of packaging materials like cans and jars. This delays shipments of other goods that use the same materials. Seasonal labor shifts to harvest, causing shortages in logistics and manufacturing. Truck drivers prioritize crops, leaving less capacity for other goods. Energy demand surges, raising fuel and transport costs that hit your wallet. Commodity markets react to harvest reports, causing price swings that affect what you pay at the store. Stores shift layouts and promotions to seasonal items, making pantry staples harder to find and less likely to be on sale. The harvest is a massive industrial event that temporarily reorients the entire supply chain. Stockpiling in late summer is a logical response to this predictable disruption. You're stepping aside before the wave hits, understand the cycle, and you can outsmart it. The harvest shapes your shopping list more than you realize. Prepare before the ripple effects reach your home. That's how you stay ahead. Make the harvest work for you, not against you. Let's talk food, the foundation of preparedness. Build a pantry with versatile, nutrient-dense, long-lasting essentials you'll actually use. Start with bulk grains and legumes, white rice, dried beans, lentils, and oats. Store them in airtight containers for years of shelf life. Add canned proteins, tuna, salmon, chicken, and Spam for variety and convenience. Peanut butter is a calorie-dense, shelf-stable protein source. Stock up on fats and oils, vegetable, canola, coconut oil, and some solid fats like shortening or lard. Include just add water items, powdered milk, powdered eggs, and potato flakes for easy nutrition. Sweeteners and salt are crucial for flavor, preservation, and morale. Honey, sugar, molasses, and plenty of iodized salt. Canned fruits and vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals. Choose a variety your family enjoys and rotate stock to avoid waste. Coffee, tea, bouillon cubes, and a few comfort treats like chocolate can make tough times easier. Spices and seasonings transform basic meals. Stock up on the basics to avoid flavor fatigue. Don't forget an off-grid cooking method: propane stove, grill, or rocket stove. Make sure you can boil water and cook a hot meal no matter what. Rotate your pantry regularly. Use what you store what you use. A smart pantry is a working pantry. Focus on foods you'll actually eat. Build up gradually and you'll never be caught off guard. Food security starts with a plan. Make your pantry your first line of defense. That's real preparedness. Food is just one part of the equation. Household necessities are just as vital. The 3 Ps: paper towels, toilet paper, and paper plates. Stock up before they vanish in a crisis. Calculate your family's usage and aim for a 3 to 6 month supply. Cleaning and sanitation, disinfectant wipes, sprays, all-purpose cleaners, and bleach are essential for health. Bleach can also purify water in emergencies. Know the correct ratios. Laundry detergent and dish soap keep your home clean and morale high. Personal hygiene soap, shampoo, toothbrushes, toothpaste, floss, deodorant, shaving supplies, and feminine hygiene products. Create a dedicated space for these items and rotate stock. Build a comprehensive first aid kit: bandages, gauze, tape, antiseptics, pain relievers, allergy meds, anti-diarrhea meds, and extra prescriptions. Lighting and communication: LED flashlights, headlamps, batteries, candles, lighters, and a hand crank or solar radio. Water security: bottled water for short-term, large containers for medium-term, and a high-quality filter for long-term needs. Consider unique needs: infants, diapers, wipes, formula; elderly, medical dietary needs; and pets. Tools and maintenance: basic toolkit, duct tape, zip ties, gloves, and a fire extinguisher. Waste disposal: heavy-duty trash bags and a plan for managing waste if services are interrupted. Organize your stockpile. Use clear bins, label everything, and rotate items. A well-organized system is a reliable resource in a crisis. Don't overlook the basics. Comfort and safety depend on them. Every household's needs are different. Customize your list. Review and update your supplies regularly. Preparedness is about more than food. It's about maintaining a safe, functional home. Cover all your bases now, not later. Small investments today prevent big problems tomorrow. Make your home a haven no matter what happens outside. That's the power of preparation. Stay ready, stay resilient. This isn't just a shopping list. It's a blueprint for real security and peace of mind. By understanding the timing and the items, you're taking control, not just reacting. Start with a 3-day supply, then build up to a week, a month, and beyond. Use this guide as your checklist and tailor it to your family's needs. Buy a few extra items each trip. Your stockpile will grow faster than you think. It's about being smart, not scared. Like and subscribe for more on smart preparation and financial resilience. Let me know your must-have stockpile item in the comments. Thanks for watching.